Switch Cats, Tumblebears. Let's do our warm up. Since you're at home and you have enough space, you should be able to do this. Ready? We're gonna do our butterflies. We gotta go down, smell our toes for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, you stinky feet. Do you have stinky feet? It's time to wash them. Grab your soap. Go. Scrub it up, scrub it up, scrub it up in the tub. Put it in the water. Shh. Next foot. Grab your soap. Scrub it up, scrub it up, scrub it up in the tub. Put it in the water. Shh. Now both feet in the water. Shh. And kick them dry. Kick, 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 kick. From here, let's try our tummy table since your knees are already up. Push up. Hold it for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down, shake your wrists out. From here, it's time to do our Humpty Dumpty. Okay, here's my favorite part. Time to make our sandwich. I'm super hungry. Ready? Pat our bed down. Don't forget the toesies. Time for our peanut butter and jelly. Rub it in. Ready? Go. And the jelly. Start at your toes. Go. Reach up big and tall with your top layer of bread and go squish. Can you eat it from your knees? Nom, 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 nom. Can you eat it from your toes? Nom, 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 nom. All right, last but not least is our tick-tocks. Go into a straddle. Go tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a little gymnast clock. Faster. Tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a little gymnast clock asleep. Wake up. One more time. Tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a little gymnast clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a little gymnast clock asleep. Wake up. All right, we got our warm-up done. So next, if you can find a line, we can start working on our tippy toes. Arms up, stand on your toes, and try to walk a couple steps forwards and then backwards. Try to stay on the line, pretend it's a beam. Let's try some donkey kicks. Next is our forward rolls. I'm going to take my headband off so I can do it. Remember, reach up big and tall. Then touch the floor right by your feet. Tuck your head and roll it around.